Hey there, and welcome. We're about to jump into a topic that, let's be honest, is changing pretty much everything: artificial intelligence. This is your friendly, straightforward guide to what AI means for the Canadian workplace. So, let's get right to it. First things first, a huge, warm welcome to the world of AI. This is where we'll set the stage for the incredible journey we're about to take together. You know, we're genuinely so glad you're here. This isn't some super exclusive tech club or anything like that. The most important thing for you to know right from the get-go is that this course is for absolutely everyone.
So you might be wondering, is this really for me? Well, if you're a newcomer to Canada finding your footing, an HR pro shaping the future of work, a small business owner looking for that competitive edge, or part of a nonprofit team, yep, it's for you. Honestly, if you're even just a little bit curious about AI, you are in exactly the right place.
Okay, let's clear the air on one big thing. Are you worried about needing to know complex code or a bunch of confusing jargon? Please don't be. You need absolutely zero technical background. We've built this entire thing using clear, simple language that's easy for everyone to understand.
All right, so now that you know you belong here, you're probably asking, where are we going? Well, let's pull out the map and take a look at the exciting journey we have ahead of us.
Think of this course just like a roadmap. Every great journey needs one, right? We've broken it all down into 12 key stops that are going to guide you step by step from being curious about AI to feeling confident.
So here it is. You can see the path laid out. We're starting right here, together, at You Are Here. From this spot, we'll wind our way through all 12 modules. We're going to cover the basics, the ethics, even Canadian law, and it all leads to that shiny certificate at the very end.
And listen, this isn't just about learning a bunch of facts. This is about gaining real, practical skills. By the time we're done, you'll actually be able to do things like explain AI in a single sentence, spot potential ethical problems, and suggest how to fix them. And you'll even understand how Canadian law protects our data, including the super important concept of Indigenous data sovereignty. These are skills you can put to use right away.
Okay, so we've got our destination, we've got our roadmap. Now let's talk about the simple rules of the road. You know, how this whole thing actually works.
First up, this course is 100% online and totally self-paced. What does that mean for you? It means you learn on your schedule, wherever you happen to be. It's designed to fit into your life, not the other way around.
And what about the workload? Get this, it's just 36 questions in total. That's it? Just 3 little multiple choice questions for each module. Totally manageable, right?
Your goal is super simple. You just need to get an 80% to pass and earn your certificate. We've set it up so you can succeed, and we know you can do it. So, your path to success? It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Seriously, you watch a module, you answer those 3 quick questions, and bam, you're another step closer to earning that certificate. It's really that straightforward.
And we've packed in some awesome features to help you along the way. You get instant feedback on every single question, so you're never left guessing. You get unlimited retakes, so there is zero pressure. It's mobile-friendly, screen reader ready, and when you pass, you get a downloadable certificate and a cool LinkedIn badge to show off your new skills.
Now, before we wrap this up and get you on your way, I want to talk about something that's really important to us. This course is about so much more than just technology. It's about our human-first promise.
This quote right here, this is at the very heart of everything we're going to learn together. AI is a tool to help people, not replace them. Let that sink in for a second. That's our guiding philosophy.
We're going to look at everything through that lens. The entire focus is on how AI can be used to assist and empower you and your team, and how we can all do it safely and ethically.
So, what do you say? With this clear roadmap and our human-first approach, are you ready to take that first step? Are you ready to unlock the amazing potential of AI in your workplace? Let's do this.